going on, guys? McJohn 2.0 here. Welcome back to my channel. So last episode we were on Heights Advantage, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. And this is the trial version, so I have 10 hours, so I'm trying to do as many parts as I can while I can play. Yeah, because I only have 10 hours. Don't have till tomorrow, don't I? Where's everything that's gonna attack me? Oh, there's one. Oh god. If you guys don't know where we are on the Xbox One. Look at all of these guys. Can't touch me. Well, you can't catch me. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Okay, maybe you can. No. What? What'd I do? I might die. I do have to go do something, and yeah, there we go. Wait, why is this game DVR open? Unsnap. There we go. Okay, this is where I spawned. Get away, get away. There's too many. Double kill. No, I died. No. Okay. Chewing some something stuck in my throat. Okay, there we go. Out of my throat. Get out. Let's go head to those red zombie heads. Or else we're never gonna escape here. I don't want to stay in this alien world forever. No! Jenna Marbles. Where are ya? Why are you trying to kill me? No. Boom. Boom. No. Jesus Christ, I'm out of here. See ya. I haven't killed enough to activate the portal. Damn it. No! Come on. Okay. We have one more red zombie here. Whee! I don't have all day here. I only have 10 hours to defeat you guys. Pretty long time, but I don't know if I can complete it. Oh man, we'll take this one. There might be a part 3. Dome. No, stop moving. Dome. Boom. Finally, I hit a zombie with that freaking boost thingy on the Cyclone ball. I'm gonna go into that zombie head, see what that is. Is it you? It's you, isn't it? I need that portal to activate. There it is, just activated. Let's get out of here. Whew. Okay, defeat the boss. Oh my god. We're gonna defeat the boss. My health is so damn low. No, you won't find me. As long as I head over here. No, it's getting closer. Don't get closer. No. Oh my god. Listen to brain. I'm listening to my brain. Trust me, I am. I'm following my instincts. Which, that's where I got that from my brain, didn't I? Confuse you guys. Oh. Oh. Dun. No! How'd I die? One shot, really? Huh. Let's respawn. But guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you.